Hi, we have chosen to do our presentation on David Bowie. David Bowie was a famous singer, songwriter, and actor. He was known for his dramatic musical transformation. He didn't strictly stick to one genre, he had his own style. He was born as David Robert Jones in Brixton, South London, England, on January 8, 1947. He released many albums and was inducted into the Hall of Fame in 1996, also receiving a Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award in 2006. Bowie took an interest in music at an early age. His half-brother, Terry, was a huge influence. Terry did struggle with mental issues and was committed to a hospital by his parents. Later on, Terry committed suicide, and this was really hard on Bowie. After high school, he went on to start a band called Davy Jones and the King Bees, but they had no success. Bowie changed his name from Davy Jones so he wouldn't be confused with Davy Jones from the Monkees, and he changed his name to David Bowie after the 19th century Bowie knife created by Jim Bowie. Bowie first married Angela Barnett in 1980, and they have a son named Duncan Jones. They later divorced in 1980, and he remarries in 1992 to a man, Abdulmajid, and they also have a daughter, Alexandra, in 2000. He is famous for his Ziggy's Stardust persona. This brought him big stardom. After a while, he retired the persona and continued to work on different things. Bowie was not only interested in music, he also enjoyed acting as well. He played the lead role in The Man Who Fell to Earth in 1976, and he also had a role in the Broadway production Elephant Man. He is widely known for his role as Goblin King in the 1986 film Labyrinth. Bowie suffered a heart attack during a performance in Germany and performed for the last time on June 25, 2004.